Welcome to Shoot Moment. This is CapCut Amazing Video Effects, Volume 2. Today, I will show you 3 more essential CapCut effects. Blur video background. First, drag the video to the timeline. Then get a copy of the video to the B-roll track. Select the B-roll video and remove the background using the auto removal option. When you click on this Hide Track option, you will see the background of the video has been successfully removed. Now go to the Effect tab and search for the Blur effect. Drag this blur effect between these A roll track and B roll track videos. Now you are done. You can adjust the strength of the blur effect if you want. If you can't put the effect in between 2 videos, click somewhere on the timeline and deselect the videos. Then click on this Modify button. You will get this Project Settings window. On this window, turn on this Arrange Layer option and save the settings. Now it will be okay. Text behind the object or person. This is the same as the above effect. First, drag the video to the timeline. Get a copy of the video to the B-roll track. Then select the B-roll track video and remove the background using the auto removal option. Click on this Hide Track option. You will see that the background of the video has been removed successfully. Next, click on the Text tab and add a text to the video. Edit the text as you want, changing the font style, size, and color. Now drag the text layer in between the A-roll video and the B-roll video. If you can't move the text layers between the layers, follow the steps that I have mentioned in the previous video. Now you can see the text has been added behind this person. Cloning effect. You can follow the same method here. First, drag the video onto the timeline. Next, duplicate the video to create a B-roll track. Select the video on the B-roll track and remove its background using the auto removal option. You'll notice the background is now removed. Click on the B-roll track and position it over the main video as desired. If you want to create additional clones, simply repeat these steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends. Watch my complete CapCut PC playlist to learn more about CapCut.